Welcome to your own channel Fitspada Nutrition and the whole new series of superfood for fat loss diets, where we will analyze food for its oddness or goodness from other perspectives. Our today's food is prime important for weekends. It is a mouth-watering snack and is related to movie. I think you got it right, but चलिए अभी मूवी का नाम निकला है तो एक छोटा सा वीडियो ही देख लेते हैं। मेरे ख्याल से ये दोनों पॉपकॉर्न हमारी तरह लड़ रहे हैं ऑन टॉपिक ऑफ whether they are good or bad for fat loss diets. But don't worry, we will get the answer at the end of this video like this. So हमारा आज का और फूड है पॉपकॉर्न and we will see whether it is bad or good from fat loss perspective. So come on, let's analyze it. Generally, if we go to a board and look at fat loss diet chart, handy snacks items are first, easy choices like dry fruits. Almond. As we know, almonds are packed with vitamin E, magnesium and potassium. It also helps in lowering LDL cholesterol. Walnuts. The walnuts are having high amount of omega-3 fatty acids. It is rich in vitamins like folic acid, that is vitamin B9, vitamin B6, vitamin E, and minerals like manganese, copper and phosphorus. Macadamia. It is also a good source of calcium required for bone health and contains potassium and phosphorus along with iron. It is packed with antioxidants as well. Then in second row or the second choices may be fruit, and it is low GI fruit. Fruits low in glycemic index are always a favorite choice of every individual plus nutritionists. Many fruits like apple used from long time to keep doctors away, right? Kiwi fruit, generally we call it kiwi, which is good in vitamin C along with other antioxidants and has lots of fibers. It is also having vitamin K and traces of calcium. As we know, it is very useful for increasing platelet count. In berries, generally it is blueberry, as they have lot of iron, phosphorus, calcium, magnesium, manganese, zinc and vitamin K along with vitamin C. The third choice is like green salads, mostly good for fibers and based on contents used in it, it gives a lot of benefits. एंड सलाड्स हमको फुलफिलमेंट की फीलिंग भी देते हैं. फोर्थ चॉइस और वी कैन से द ऑप्शन इज प्रोटीन शेक, एंड दैट इज डिपेंडेंट ऑन नीड ऑफ प्रोटीन विच इज बीन डिसाइडेड बेस्ड ऑन द वर्कआउट इंटेंसिटी or based on budget of a certain person or client. There are many things which would be added from above four criteria like some other nuts or fruits etc. But have you ever seen popcorn as a snack item in any of the fat loss diets? If we think differently, we will come to know that the most neglected part of popcorn is its micronutrients. Yes, the fact is 100 grams of popcorn provides you macronutrients like 4.3 grams of fat, 74 grams of carbs and 11 grams of second class protein. That's the reason it is not been treated as a food, because it is having only 11 grams of protein and that too a second class protein which is not having complete profile of amino acids. But if we take a look at micronutrients of popcorn, we can say it is full of micronutrients like vitamin B1, vitamin B3, vitamin B6, iron, magnesium, phosphorus, potassium, zinc, copper and manganese. The percentages are in comparison with RDI, that is recommended dietary intake. In simple words, if recommended dietary intake of manganese is 100%, 100 grams of popcorn will provide around 56% of manganese to you. So after these facts and figures, अगर हम हमारा बोर्ड विजिट करें, so हम ये कह सकते हैं कि पॉपकॉर्न is not bad choice for fat loss, is rich in micronutrients like vitamins and minerals like other snack items in fat loss diet, is a good snack for weekend स्पेशली अगर आप वेट लॉस डाइट पे हो और मूवी एंजॉय करना चाहते हो. Popcorn comes under a class where protein is classified as second class protein, similarly like almond, walnut, macadamia, etc. So you actually are not compromising any of your macronutrients. Popcorn could be used in high fat diets called as keto diets, where carbohydrates are restricted to less than 30 to 40 grams a day by closely monitoring amount of daily carbs. You may go for the option of 50 grams of popcorn during a day of a week or weekends, I can say. And if that is the case, you can enjoy the popcorn without compromising your intake of carbs. So finally, after understanding all these golden facts and analyzing popcorn together, can we say this so-called odd food is actually a good food? Please do comment your views and thoughts and like this video to motivate us, and subscribe the Fit Spartan Nutrition channel to watch such an amazing educational and healthy videos. We'll be back with another such kind of food item to analyze it and to enjoy your company. Bye bye for today. Stay fit and healthy, because staying fit is our responsibility.